So today was a Monday job. Showed up with a flat tire on the trailer and no gas and oil for the saws. All we had to do was trim away some branches on this elm tree from power lines. These were getting out over the transformer, so they wanted to make sure that that wasn't going to get hit when all this wind comes through. We also wanted to make sure we were protecting the power line going up to the house. It was pretty windy to be dealing with these, but we got it done. So these are a couple more trees that are by the same power line, just on the other end of it. And underneath there is a generator and a propane tank. So we've got the power line, generator, and propane tank that we're trying to protect. So we're going to drop these trees, but before I drop them, there was just a little bit of back weight and stuff over the lines that I wanted to make sure they didn't get snagged up when we pulled them over. So I'm up here using my Husqvarna electric saw. I like it because I don't have to pull start it all the time. And really it cuts pretty efficiently. So the second tree right here you can see is directly above the generator and the propane tank. It's a locust. Just had a couple things I needed to get off the back here. I'm sure I could have dropped them with all this stuff on there, but I already had the lift there. It was easy to set it up and take off a couple things. So it makes it safer. That's what we opt to do. And I mean, who doesn't like the view from up here? Now I'm setting a line so that we can pull them over and drop them. Figuring out my rope routing here where I want it to run. And dropping it down.